Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry item. Top 5 carry item on my list. Number 5, power bank. Plain and simple, you gotta have something to charge up your gadgets, and your wootsy woots. You gotta have something to charge your flashlight, your phone, or your vibrator. Hands down, if you leave home without it, you'll be sorry. You'll be in trouble. And I know you're like, this is a flashlight. I know it doubles as a power bank. It's badass. I have a white one. I had this one first. I had the black version first, and it came without the pocket clip. The white one obviously was revised and does have a pocket clip. It's over there charging, or I would show you. I can show you because the cord reaches. It's charging. You see that? Pocket clip on the back. All right, just in case you thought I was lying to you. Alrighty, so I put some magnets on the back of that so it can hopefully snap anywhere, but you know how stuff goes when you're trying to show people. It's got a magnetic base as well, but power bank, that's what you came here for. Let's go ahead and show you that so you don't think I'm lying. Right there on the back, you got your USB-A port, output, and USB-C. Pretty cool little flashlight. Battery indicator. This one has 3 of 4, so it's good. It's about 75%. I might put that on the charger. That one's halfway, so I thought I'd give it a little boosty boost before I put it back where it goes. Yeah, so pretty cool little flashlight, huh? It's got flood, it's got cob, it's got high, medium, lows, on, offs, magnets, and a power bank. So, and droppable and still workable. So there's the features right there. Cob light, LED light, power bank, Type-C. Goody. Magnetic base, all that good stuff. So, where would it rank on your list? Would it make your top 5? We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.